Hi friends, Tracy Bish here, your Stampin' Up demonstrator from Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to my mini haul pre-order. These are items coming out in the new mini catalogue, January to June next year. Available now to demonstrators if you're a demonstrator. Now quickly, I just want to say Celebration is also coming up. It is the second one for the year. It runs 4th of January to the 28th of February. So Celebration is where you can earn a free product of your choice from a catalogue with a qualifying order. So starting off here, we have a gorgeous pack of DSP. It is 4x6. It's called Abstract Beauty. It's specialty paper, gold foil on one side, the other side is bright, fun, funky colours with great patterns, and I love this pack. 48 pieces in the pack. Really pretty, and I think it's going to be really popular. It's part of a suite in the catalogue. Okay, moving on to the next one. This is DSP called Sweet Talk. It is part of the Sweet Talk suite, which you can see in the catalogue. This is so pretty. I love all these papers and the colorings with this set. So it pairs with the Sweet Conversations bundle. The colorings are Blushing Bride, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Real Red, and So Saffron. I have quite a few projects coming out in January with this product, so keep updated for that one. The next one here is a Celebration item with $180 spend. It is the Friendly Hello. You'll get a full pack of 12x12 DSP as well as that stamp set Friendly Hello. Now the DSP is 12x12 as you can see. Basic black, fresh freesia, granny apple green, petal pink, pool party, and shaded spruce. And what's really great about this bundle, because you get both of them with $180 spend, is that stamp set can then be stamped onto this DSP. It's a really cool feature that they showed us on stage, and it's a beautiful set as well. There's great images as well as some really great sentiments as well, so lots and lots of fun can be had with that set. Alright, moving on, we have the Real Red Faux Linen, I think it's called. Let me have a quick look. Yes. It looks like linen, it feels almost like linen, and it's part of that Sweet Talk suite. Alright, moving on, these are Slimline envelopes, which is part of a bundle in the catalogue as well. The bundle is called Slim Sayings, but these gorgeous Slimline envelopes go with this Slim Sayings bundle. In this set, you have 15 envelopes. There's 3 different colours. That looks white. It's more of a grey. It's a funny sort of colour. It's not quite white. Milky Slate and Soft Succulent. And these envelopes go with the bundle Slim Sayings, which makes great slimline cards. There are 4 dies in the bundle, and the Slim Sayings stamp set has some great sentiment. And that's my little mini haul. If you haven't got a demonstrator that you're already ordering through, please get in touch with me. I'll happily send you out catalogues. Don't forget, this catalogue goes live 4th of January. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you left me a comment. If you haven't hit subscribe, you could do that as well. Bye bye.